morning wake with the roosters crow. Sunrise paints the barn in a golden glow. Hooves on hay, horses play in open fields. Cows are lowing, mooing loud, simple yields. Goats are grazing on the edge of the grove. Sheep are bleating, gentle hearts all in a drove. Geese are honking, waddling across the yard. Donkeys braying, carrying their load so hard. Farmyard rhythms, singing true. Animals all in a lively crew. Ducks are quacking, rabbits hop. Piglets squeal under the treetop. Chickens clucking, settling in their roost. Eggs collected fresh, the farmer's boost. Pigs in the pen, wallowing in the mud. Donkeys rest after hauling heavy load. Farmyard rhythms, singing true. Animals all in a lively crew. Ducks are quacking, rabbits hop. Piglets squeal under the treetop.